We begin this evening with an 8 on your side investigation. Bond blowback. An accused kidnapper and rapist placed on house arrest with an ankle monitor is now accused of going on a crime spree. It has many wondering why he was let out of jail. And we're talking about someone who should have known better. He's the son of a retired Tampa police officer.
Kevin Magruder is accused of a crime spree that stretches from Tampa to Texas. And senior investigative reporter Steve Andrews joins us tonight. And Steve, law enforcement believes at least some of those crimes were preventable, right?
Yeah, probably all of them. A judge lowered this guy's bond and then put him on house arrest. Then, for whatever reason, Friday, he went off. Investigators charged Magruder cut off his ankle monitor, sexually assaulted a woman, took her car to Texas, where he carjacked, then rammed other vehicles. Kevin Magruder sat in the Hillsborough County Jail for months, charged with sexual battery, kidnapping, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. The charges stem from a February 2015 incident where, according to a criminal affidavit, he went to the victim's home, threatened to slit her throat, forced her to have sex, left the victim tied to a tree.
Anything with kidnapping, sexual batteries, those are significant cases. And
so was Magruder's bond, set at $1.75 million. In August, semi-retired Judge Rogers Paget heard a motion to reduce the bond. Magruder's attorney argued for a lower bond for several reasons. Among them, she says, the case against him seemed to be coming unraveled.
It turns out that some of those charges perhaps weren't as severe as they were, and there were potential credibility issues with the alleged victim in that case.
Prosecutors argued against the bond reduction. Judge Paget knocked it down to $30 grand.
I don't know what was in his mind. I think we're disappointed in it.
Paget put Magruder on house arrest with a GPS ankle monitor. Last Friday, Magruder cut off the monitor and, according to law enforcement, wreaked havoc.
If I would have had any indication that in any way he was going to pose a threat to anybody, I would have had an ethical obligation to report that. I didn't have that indication.
This isn't the first time a Paget decision caused angst.
No justice in Tampa.
In 2009, Judge Paget sentenced sex offender Richard Schaffner to 15 years in prison, but let him out on bond pending his appeal. Now, according to Colonel Lisinski, Kevin Magruder faces another sexual battery charge here in Hillsborough County, as well as escaping from custody. In Texas, he's facing evading arrest, carjacking, and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Quite a list.
Yeah, we know how law enforcement feels about the lowering of the bond. Any response from the courts?
Well, efforts to reach Judge Paget were unsuccessful. Chief Judge Ron Ficarota sent me a statement that basically said we're not in a position to comment on another judge's actions.
You know, it's strange. These ankle monitors, they typically they do a pretty good job.
Yeah.
There's good with that. And there's a process when it comes to bonds.
Absolutely there is, and the more serious charge, the higher the bond. Yeah. But remember, in this country, you are innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah,
sure.
All right. Steve Andrews, thank you very much for that. Yeah.